In this simple tutorial, I'll show you how to add a View Product or Get Orders button on your Instagram posts. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now tap the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Business Tools and Controls, or sometimes it may appear as Account Type and Tools, depending on your device. From here, select Monetization Status. Keep in mind you need to be eligible for Instagram monetization features to access product and order tools. Once done, go back to your profile and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Select the photo you want, then tap Next. Then again, tap Next. On the posting screen, look for the Get Orders or product-related option. If you don't see it, tap More Options. And then select Add Product Details. Now enter your product name, price, and any other details you want to show. After that, tap Done. You can also add captions, tags, or partnerships before publishing your post. Once you publish it, the View Product or Order button will appear on your Instagram post. And that's it. Your Instagram product button is now successfully added. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and monetization guides.